guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. If you are new, I do DIYs, reviews, hauls, and much more. And so the first video for this year is going to be a DIY. I wanted to make a earring holder for my hanging earrings because I was just having them in my drawer all over the place, so I wanted something to display them in a nice way and something also to match with the two other jewelry holders that I have that I've made here. If you're interested in seeing those videos, they will be up top and also listed down below. So if you want to see how I made a earring holder using dollar store products, please keep watching.
Okay, so you're going to need a canvas, a wire trash can, some pliers and scissors work really good. Some wood stain or even shoe polish that you can get at the dollar store. Here I'm just taking the canvas part of the canvas because we just want the wood frame. Now you just want to sand the edges because some of this wood frame is a little rough. So I'm going in with a 80 grit and then a 220 to finish it off. Now you just want to go in with a wood stain of your choice. I'm just using what I have in hand. Now all you got to do is cut along the edge of the trash can and cut it to the size of the canvas. Now you're going to take a staple gun. I think I got this one at Michael's. I can list it down below if you're interested. And please make sure you're wearing safety glasses so that way you do not injure your eye if a staple ends up flying somewhere. You never know, right? Also want to mention there are other tutorials similar to mine using a picture frame instead of a canvas frame. So I will have those listed down below so you guys can check those out if you want to use a picture frame instead. I wanted to do the canvas frame just because it's similar to the style of jewelry holder that I already have. So here I am just cutting all the excess wire with scissors. I found that it was much easier to use scissors. If you're going to do the scissors route, I would advise to use some old ones and not your good scissors because you're probably going to mess up your good scissors. As I fix all the edging, I do stretch out the wire so that it is nice and tight and use a staple gun to hold it in place. As you can see, I'm trying to do it in between the wire.
Finished product, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like the way it came out. It was just enough space for my hanging earrings. And if you're interested in seeing how I did the necklace holders, I do have a video. You can click the link above and it will take you directly to that as well. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when my next video is up. Until then, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!